Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Percent Pursuit is a game in which players are trying to collect the most percent of their suit. So be it hearts, diamonds, clubs, or spades. On their turn, a student can select if they are going to take 2 cards, 3 cards, 4 cards, 5 cards, or 10 cards. It's up to them to decide. If all of, let's say, the 5 cards are used, they can no longer choose 5 cards. So let's start, and let's say a player says, I'm going to select 4 cards. So they collect 4 cards and turn them over face up. Then they are going to determine what percent is in their suit. So in this case, you will see that hearts, out of 4 cards, hearts has 25%, and our spades has 75%. So that's the score for that round. The next player can go, and let's say the next player decides, I'm only going to take 2 cards. So they have 2 clubs are showing. So the person who has the clubs will get 100%. So the game continues. Next player, let's say they pick 3 cards. And in this, there is 2 that are in the clubs, which is 66%, actually 67% if you round it up. And the hearts will have a 33. So that's what they get as their scores on that round. So the students keep continuing going back and forth. Remember, once a line is taken, that 4, you can only have 1 more chance of drawing 4 cards. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.